Welcome. If you've ever wanted to organize your Gmail faster by simply swiping, this video is for you. Today, you'll learn how to set your left swipe action to move an email into a folder quick, clean, and super efficient. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar three-line icon that's your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, scroll all the way down until you find settings, and once you do, tap on it. If you have more than one email account added, Gmail will show you a list of your accounts here, but we're not choosing any specific account right now. Instead, locate and tap on General Settings. Inside General Settings, scroll just a bit and you'll see an option labeled Email Swipe Actions. This is where all the swipe magic happens. Tap on it to open those settings. Here, you'll notice options for both right swipe and left swipe actions. To set up your left swipe, tap Change next to left swipe. A list of available actions will pop up, things like archive, delete, mark as read, and more. But what we want is move to. Go ahead and select that. And that's it. You've just customized your Gmail so that every time you swipe left on an email, it's quickly moved to the folder you choose. It's a small tweak that can save you a lot of time, especially if you deal with tons of emails every day. If you'd like, you can test it out right now. Head back to your inbox, pick any email, and swipe left. Gmail will open the folder menu, and from there you can move your message exactly where it belongs. Organizing your inbox doesn't need to take hours. With this simple setting, Gmail does most of the sorting for you, one satisfying swipe at a time.